Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The audience, now we have just heard about the obligation of Salah and the history of Azan. Now I want to share with you the virtues and scientific benefits of Salah. This tree, before you symbolizes a powerful analogy, if you shake it, its leaves will fall. Similarly, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the sins of a person who performs 5 daily prayers fall off just like the leaves of the tree when it's shaken. These streams, before you symbolize purification, if a person bath in these streams for 5 times in a day, do you think any dirt will remain on his body? Definitely not. In the same way, the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if a person prays 5 times in a day, all his sins will be washed away, just like dirt washed after bathing in these streams. Now I want to tell you the rewards for consistent salah. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, whoever establishes prays regularly, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grants them 5 blessings. First, remove poverty from their lives. Second, protect them from the punishment of the grave. Third, on the day of judgment, their deeds will be presented on their right hand. Fourth, they will cross the bridge of Sirat at the speed of lightning. Fifth and last, they will enter paradise without accountability. Now I want to tell you the importance of Salah. After professing the Kalima of Tawheed, Salah is the first obligation upon a Muslim. Salah prevents immorality and evil deeds. On the day of judgment, the first question in deeds will be about Salah. The significance of Salah is so great that it must be performed during travel, war or illness. Therefore, it's obligatory for every man, Muslim and woman to perform Salah on time regularly. Salah offers numerous benefits due to its movements, such as Rukû, Qiyam and Sujud. Body's flexibility. Strength. The postures of Rukû and Sujud strengthen the muscles and improve the body's flexibility. Blood circulation. The movements in Salah enhance blood circulation, promoting heart health. Reduction in mental stress. Salah helps to reduce anxiety and depression, which positively impacts physical health. Kidney function. Salah aids in improving kidney function. Lung production. During sujood, a significant amount of blood flowing to upper part of the lungs, which often lacks sufficient blood supply, thereby preventing lung diseases. Islam uniquely combines sexual benefits with physical and mental health. During sujood, a significant amount of movement, blood flowing. Modern medical experts had researched on Islamic parts and confirmed mentioned by the fruitful messenger Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. May Allah grant us all the ability to perform salah on time regularly. That's all I have to say. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.